Okay, first off, this knob will go with the radio. This knob does not. As you can see, there's no pointer, so I'm kind of in the dark with my tuning. Don't know what the problem is. Possibly it's just broken off.
Beef, pure and simple. So where's the beef? It's in a package of Old Trapper beef jerky. Old Trapper is not your father's jerky. It's not shriveled, dry, and tasteless. Old Trapper beef jerky is made from... Also a little surprise that's included in there. All the doors and let you out into the world. Dependiendo quién le pregunte. Extremely seriously, and you can taste it in every single bite.
Finding the right Medicare plan may seem...
Una frase de 5 a 10 palabras como mucho, le demuestras que sufres mucho con tu pareja actual.
In the Clearview bag, you can see the quality of